Hello everybody, today we are going to see how we can create different variants of same product within Odoo. This is Odoo 13. So I can go to my sales menu. Before defining the product variants, we first need to define the different attribute based on which the variants would be created. This can be found in the configuration menu in attributes. So for example, we can create a attribute called weight. We can define a particular name. There are different categories of attributes that we can create, like dimensions, duration, and so on. We can define whether how do we want to display this, whether it is a radio button as a select button, or in case if it's a case of color, then we can choose color also. The benefit of choosing color is that the system will populate the same colors within the system. If I choose the radio, then I can choose here, enter the multiple types of custom values that I want to ensure. We'll choose one more. Now for a particular attribute, we have three options, values. Similarly, as you can see on the screen, there are various attributes that are available like legs, color, brand, weight, duration, size, and we can basically create innumerable variants as per the choice. While we're defining the variants, we also have the option to define how the variance creation would be done based on so as soon as you create a product, the system will automatically create the variants. Now let's go ahead and create a product. We'll choose an example from the current lot for the ease. So I have a product here called corner desk right sitting. I have defined various attributes. Now under variants, I'm going to choose an attribute which is applicable to this. Let's say I choose weight, and then I'm going to choose what are values that I'm going to allow. Let's say I'm going to allow 308 grams and maybe 353 grams. I'm also going to choose one more attribute, maybe let's say color. I'm going to choose that it will be available in black color, white color. Okay. So basically two attributes of weight and color, and both those attributes have two values each. Okay. I can define how this sales variant selection would be done based on product configurator, which is a website feature which we'll be discussing, or you can use a grid entry in sales order. Okay. But that is the topic for another video. Once I click on save, the system automatically generates the variants now, and as you can see on the smart buttons, now 4 variants have been generated. When I click on these variants, I can see the details. So now I have 4 records: corner desk right sit with attributes value color black and weight. If I look and open this account, you can see these details available here. Please note that all other features remain from the parent account, but these two attributes, including barcoding, pricing, and costing, can be vary for this particular variant. Now let's see how this is differentiated when we create a sales order. The same can be applied in the purchase order as well. After choosing the customer, then I go ahead and add a product. So as soon as I select a product, since I have opened a product configurator, so I have the option now to choose what color, and I have option to choose the weight. So now this will select the right variant. Okay, so you can see in the description column the right variant has been selected. There could be other ways of looking at this as well. So this is a grid view, as you can see. The same application is also available on the purchase order, and in this way your variants can be generated within the system. Okay. Variance is an optional feature and can be configured or enabled or disabled through sales settings. So we can see here that I have an option for variant grid entry, which I can, here is my variant. I can completely disable product configurator from here. I can simply choose the variant as it is in a very simple manner. You see the difference here after disabling certain features. When I go ahead and create a sales order, now you can see that all these variants are now appearing as separate products. Even though they are not separate products, but they are now appearing in a different manner. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos, and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.